And I want to start off with our next cold front that's rolling through on Sunday. This is going to be an impactful cold front, and we're going to see some dangerous cold out there, especially Monday morning. Another possible freeze Tuesday morning, but I want to iterate something. This is going to be a very brief window of very cold temperatures. However, this is going to be getting down to the level where you're probably going to need to take some precautions, kind of start planning this weekend to take care of those exposed outdoor pipes. We might need to be dripping those faucets as we head into the beginning of next week. So that next front arriving as we head into this weekend, I actually need to edit that just a little bit because morning lows are looking more likely now in the low to mid 20s as opposed to the mid and upper 20s. Wind chills also need to be updated. Those could reach the teens in portions of our area. I don't like to hype things up beyond proportion, but teens for feels like temperatures are looking likely next week. Nothing that we can't handle. We've just got to bundle up and take those proper precautions beforehand. So I want to let you know what to expect. Let's start off with air temperatures. We're not factoring in the wind here. We're just looking at our air temperatures alone. Sunday night into Monday morning going to be the coolest. At central Louisiana, I've got our air temperatures in the mid 20s so far. Those could be bumped down a little bit into the low 20s. Right now, things are trending that way, but I don't want to go ahead and update that to reflect it just yet. I want to make sure that this is looking more solid before I make that change. Then as we head into Monday night into Tuesday morning, things will be a little bit warmer. Still on the cooler side though. Not as concerned about pipes Monday night into Tuesday, but still looking at least a light freeze during that time. Like I said, this is going to be very impactful cold, but it's not going to last long. It's Tuesday night into Wednesday, morning lows back into the mid 40s. And beyond that, we're in the mid 50s Wednesday night into Thursday. So again, a very brief window. But here's what I'm talking about. I have our air temperatures and feels like temperatures side by side here. The air temperatures are in the white, feels like temperatures are in the turquoise. You'll notice a lot of low 20s out there with feels like temperatures in the mid and upper teens for some, low 20s at the warmest. You heard that right, at the warmest. So it is going to be very cold out there. If you haven't pulled out the heavy winter coat and you're headed out early for work or school Monday morning, you'll definitely want to make sure that you dig those coats out this weekend. Start that car a few minutes early on Monday morning because it is going to be downright cold. Even for the afternoon, winds will be breezy at times, and we'll dive further into those winds here in a moment. Afternoon highs on Wednesday, or on Monday I should say, are in the low 40s, but when you factor in that wind, it could feel like the upper 30s in some spots. As we look at things early Tuesday morning, lows will be upper 20s, low 30s, feels like temperatures not as bad. By the afternoon, we're in the mid 50s, and then again, a noticeable improvement by Wednesday morning with air temperatures in the upper 40s to low 50s during the morning hours, and feels like temperatures trailing not far behind. So as we have that front rolling through on Sunday, winds are going to be gusty during the day, and high temperatures could be in the upper 40s to low 50s on Sunday, so it'll be a bit chilly compared to what we've been used to these past couple days. Gusts will be out of the northeast, anywhere from about 25 to 30 miles per hour. Area wide. Then as we head into Monday morning, wind chills and air temperatures will be the coolest. That's where we have, again, the potential for feels like temps in the teens. Wind gusts won't be as bad, but it's not going to take super strong wind gusts to make it feel a lot colder with air temps as cold as they will be. So we're looking at gusts about 10 to 15 miles per hour. By Tuesday, they're not as bad. This is Tuesday morning. Out of the south there, about 5 to 10. Then by Thursday, they were starting to see those gusts pick back up again. And keep in mind, by this point, we're not talking about dangerous cold anymore, just breezy winds during the day on Thursday. Out of the south there, about 15 miles per hour, and then those gusts increasing Thursday night into Friday. We'll see those out of the north anywhere from about 25 to 30 miles per hour.